Hi there everyone on YouTube. My name is Geoff Peters with geoffmobile.com. Today I'd like to do a quick discussion about Whirlpool dishwasher slide rail stop clips. So at the top rack of your dishwasher there's those metal rails which have the wheels of the top rack fit into those rails. And on the end of the rail is what's called a stop clip, which prevents the wheels from coming right off the rail. And in our dishwasher, the stop clip came off. So our dishwasher is a Whirlpool WDF540PADM3 dishwasher, which is quite common in Canada in the last 5-10 years or so. And I looked up in the parts manual for this dishwasher, and it says it requires stop clip part number W10082861, or also known as WPW10082861. However, going on to Amazon Canada and looking for this particular stop clip, I did not find a cheap one. The only one I could find with that exact part number was $21 and only included a single clip. However, if I searched for Whirlpool slide rail stop clips, I found another part which has a different number, W10508950, and this one was selling for a pack of 2 for just $10 with free shipping. So almost like 4 times cheaper than the other one, because you get 2 instead of 1 for $20. And I looked through the comments on this W10508950, and someone had commented that they had a dishwasher with almost the same model number as mine, the WDF540PAD, but they had a slightly different number at the end. But they said that this part fit perfectly on their dishwasher, except that the original part was light gray, and then the one that was from Amazon that was very affordable was dark gray. So I thought I would give it a try, and I did order the W10508950 clip, and I tried installing it on my dishwasher, and as I'll show you in the picture coming up next, it did fit perfectly on my dishwasher. Luckily it came with 2, so I replaced both left and right clips, and now it looks like it's meant to be dark gray instead of light gray, and they seem to be good quality and hopefully will not pop off. And the trick with those clips is you really gotta fit them on properly onto the rail and then push them all the way over so they really clip into place and lock in. Otherwise they might fall out again in the future. And for mine, the reason I had to replace my clip was because the clip fell off and then I just got lost in the dishes or in the drain and probably got thrown out by accident. So these clips do fall off from time to time, but by installing a brand new clip on both sides, you're guaranteed to have a good solid clip on your slide rail for a long time. So I'll put all this information in the description below. In summary, if you have a WDF540PADM3 dishwasher, which is quite common in Canada, you can go ahead and order the part from Amazon, the W10082950 clip, instead of the W10082861 clip, which is recommended for that dishwasher. But it just turns out that the part I ordered is much cheaper and it just has a slightly different color than the original. Thanks, and hope this helps. I'll talk to you later. For more videos, please click the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Bye for now.